That was only one time you used something you throw it away.
No, I'm videoing. Just don't you dare drop my camera. Feel seasick. Oh no! No!
Maybe go in the water.
If we get wet from this in the long sleeve.
I did, you know when you
Uh-oh.
leave that
Don't squeal! It's alright.
you know when you go near that pirate bit, they've got those blowers outside, you can go in there and you dry off. You can't do that, you have to go over and dry.
My jeans are wet.
So am I. I got some wet as well. People are going to think the fact that they collapsed.
Yeah,
Can you see it, mate?
Oh, fine.
What are you doing? I'm glad you're on that one.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera there, okay?
Alright. No, I probably...
Oh my.
Why did I have to go backwards?
You know what? This is pointless. All my underwear's wet. Everything's wet.
Oh, I think we're out the worst.
My t-shirt's wet.
Everything.
The lot of soaps in there, they're silly.
Goodbye.
I don't know on that one.
Remember when we overtook everyone?
That was a bit pointless, guys.
I think we're going to overtake them. Oh, we're going to overtake
None
them.
of you are coming in our car.
We've overtaken.
Sorry.
It's alright.
They've stopped you. They said you lot stay there forever. We've stopped you there. Sorry about that.
It's alright.
I'm gonna fall.